what the hairline looks like. I haven't done anything to it, not even glue it down, so right out the box. Turned out really pretty. I do like the fact that the hair has that ombre highlights at the bottom of it. It just makes the style a little bit more. The hairline looks good. Everything is just blended really nicely.